The European Seller Conference is a 2-day Amazon conference featuring captivating speakers, highly sought-after Amazon experts, and the chance to network with other like-minded international Amazon sellers. Whether you're a solopreneur or have already grown a 6- or 7-figure business, this unique conference will offer you insights from industry experts and information that can be applied at any level. Much more than just tips and tricks, our Amazon conference sessions are geared towards growing your business for the long term and will also give you a rare opportunity to hear from some of Europe's most successful sellers. We await your presence at the Grandior Hotel Prague, March 2019.